Learning window. Use of was, were. Now read these sentences. 1. Nupur was in the garden. 2. They were late for the show. When we talk about something that took place in the past, we use the words was and were. Now, look at the table below to understand their usage. I was in town yesterday. He was in town yesterday. She was in town yesterday. Suraj was in town yesterday. Diya was in town yesterday. We were in town yesterday. You were in town yesterday. They were in town yesterday. The girls were in town yesterday. The boys were in town yesterday. Suraj and Diya were in town yesterday.